Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the newest addition to the ICS charge point range, and that is the iCSH7D. This is our smart domestic 7 kilowatt unit that comes with a 5-year warranty. It's compatible with solar panels, so for any customers that are looking to incorporate existing or future solar installation at their property, this unit can utilise any extra generated power that isn't being used by the property. We've designed this unit to work in conjunction with the forthcoming ICS energy storage system as well, which gives the customer the control of both devices on the free ICS 2.0 Lite. Okay, we're going to take a look at how to install this unit, but before then, obviously we need to get in the unit. So we'll take the key that is included in the packaging and pop the front panel off like so. Okay, so now we're in the iCSH7D unit. You can see you've got your power connection at the bottom. Once again, this unit does possess the flexibility of having bottom or rear cable entry. There is a separate entry point as well for CT clamps or your data cable. Just lifting the front of the unit up, you can see that there is an Ethernet connection port on there, as well as the anti-tamper device that is included in this unit, so there's no retrofit components required to be fitted to keep in line with those latest regulations. This unit does come with 3 CT clamp connections, so quite simply you can remove this terminal block, connect your CTs ahead of installing the unit.